Season Sensei, Wagwan, bless up to all of the crew. Never come tune into Jamaican people. Bless up to yourself. They don't know. Say Happy New Year to the Bumbuckland New Year fans. Them up top. Hey, see the pussy holding them around. Come find them finger. And the New Year start and the pussy hold them can't change. Pussy hold them bad my same way. See New Year start now. And if you hold them, combine them finger. Every day they run to me chainsaw. Jamaican face, they'll confuse her. See they know 3 years ago they still fight them finger. 4 years ago they still fight them finger. 2020 come in now. Pussy hold them a fight them finger. But all them up on the finger, the pussy hold them can't change. No matter how much time and the pussy hold them can't change. The pussy hold them can't change. Still I get up bad mind, still I get up red eye. The pussy hold them can't change, man. No matter how much time them ball up for change. Pussy hold them man, Jamaican pay man. I watch the face man. A New Year now. Me a go make more money put in my pocket man. New Year now. Me a go have more things. God a go bless me for the better. Hey. And the pussy hold them and run to me blood clotting evidence. Pussy hold them man not change. No matter how much time them a try change man. Pussy hold them bad mind and them still grateful and them still ready I saw. No matter how much time and them matter about them I got change man say New Year now. And the pussy hold them still bad man New Year now. And the pussy hold them still a blood clot report me video them. Them start do it from the first time they start man. But social media about all them a report YouTube. Now what a place like a YouTube. No say me and the one with the follow the blood clot road. Yeah them a road come and them a fight them fingers. New Year a start and the pussy hold them can't change. Pussy hold them bad minds. Pussy hold them ready man. Yeah me say New Year a come and the pussy hold them can't change. Me say them bad mind man and them ready. So them run to me thing every day. No matter how much I try accomplish things, them can't accomplish nothing. No matter how much time man and try accomplish this respect Jamaican be them can't diss me all now. Pussy hold them try last year. Pussy hold them try the year before. And the pussy hold them start, them still can't accomplish. Pussy hold them still a watch Jamaican play man may a shine. Try on social media one watch the face man. Pussy hold them up on them finger. Still up on them finger, me not look on them man. When them up on them fingers, so me no give a damn man, them a century. And me no give a damn man, me take hold me. Bumbuckland take up man and want to take for social media. Yeah, them a come to the thing. And them a fight them finger. And the pussy hold them bad mind same way man. New Year a come man, him still bad mind. Up top. All of the Bumbuckland New Year fans, them don't know things yet. Well done. Oh God, I to me member. Where me come from, I to me member. So when me born man, I to me member. So when me come from, I to me member. When me born man, I to me member. So when me come from man, I to me member. I when me born from man, look for them a fussy man. When I run to me, they say they a member. Where them come from, say me member. When me go through, I me member them days. When me hungry man, say no. Me not to go through that man at 2020 coming no Jamaican pay man me a live up. Say me a live up to the fullest. No for uno man say uno I was stuck at the sales place. Say uno stuck at a long time man. So they know I do not try make a move man. Can't make a move man. Uno stuck which part to the stuck man. We do not video them we a put by social media. No matter how much time man say they put the wall, them can't flap me, but them can't flap Jamaican pay man. Watch them a watch me every day, but they put the wall, them can't study me. Yeah. Me see them boy a come to me think every day man, and them up on them finger. Me no know what make them up on them finger. Them a say the message every day man, but see them no say me a catch a vibes man. And the vibes we make catch a half of the herb man. See they don't stick it green shit man. Every time the fans them come to me think, and they say smoke and beer man. See they know we run up in the new year man. And the boys still a run to me think and think them bad man. Some of them man see them make man, and put them from the back man, and put them from the front man. Put them what they put them days man. And me know understand all them what they come to me think man. Put them big face man. Yeah. motherfucking massive nose and come to me to Jamaican P. Me see them boy ya. Me see them boy and them not try to the Jamaican P. I know them what they want them can't do me, me study me. Why do me think on social media now? What's the feel that you hear rock on me now? And they put them all them can't study me. I know. No matter how much time and they drive it to the Jamaican people. See the super things are one and they put the whole them now study that. Put the video say they must study me. But all they must study me Jamaican people. No, me now study them. Me love the girl them man when the girl them come to me thing and I study me. Me say the girl them come to me thing and I stop send me blood and heart and I stop send me kisses. And I say Jamaican people, me love you all you want by your thing, yeah. What them boy you think? Up top to all of the massive them. Bless up. Hey, Zen. Bumble class smoke and bake. Come on, survive, you see me? Up top. Lord mercy. When them a go stop with the bag of line. Yeah. See them no year start. And them a cook with a different bag of line. Me say them come with a bag of line every day, man, yeah. Them a talk about them change, and though they put the whole them can't take because them a come with a bag of line and you know. See they know them a go come up with a bag of line. With a different bag of line, Jamaican people. Me never follow them, man, me a go stay true to myself, yeah. Say bag of line, the government, them a go come with man. Tell the poor people, them down a Jamaica, man. Tell them, say them a go change things, man. All of them can't change it, man. See they know them can't come up with the ideas, them. And confuse the poor people, yeah. Say with them bag of line, man. Say when things a go change. Say I know things can't change. No matter how much time you pray for it, no matter how much time you try to feed us with teacher the pussy, hold them that and father God. Fidget things in the bag of shooting, the bag of blood clot, raping, where you want to be a country, man just don't understand. The bag of lie, do you come? Them a go come up with a different bag of lie. The blood clot government them done it, and the government them all over in the country, man. Them a promise the people them thing, and all of them can't come through with them promising. And the people them say them a wait fit bag of lie, man. See them now, and you hear come on them. Hey, them a go come up with a different bag of lie, say bag of lie. We tired with it, we tired to hear the bag of lie, but say with them a come with every day. Them a talk about say them a go change it, I know them can't change it, yeah. See they know the poor people, them a still go through with them a go to inna for me country, man. Say me inna the foreign country, man, and me give thanks every day, man. Wish back me day, man, but you know what? Every day, man, and every night, see me pray for the poor people, them man. Where I go through, where the things where them a go through, man. Them pity I go through things, and every day me see them pity a cry, man. Me no understand the whole heap of crime, man. We are one in a me country, and the government a come up with the bag of lie. New year now, and them a come up with a different bag of lie. See them now the Chinese man, them a go to cover the country bag of lie. Say bag of lie. See them now, them a go come up with a different bag of lie. Say me tired to hear them. Say me the bag of lie. Oh God, Bumble clans. Jamaican people don't understand. Yeah. Say bag of lie. People say well them a go come up with a bag of lie. Fi tell the poor people them when them a go change, man, and all of them can't change it, man. How much poor people them drive past pan, blood clot, pass in on them car, man. I see the poor people them see all the poor people them a suffer every day, man. Government them a come up with a different bag of lie this year, man. Yeah, say bag of lie. Up top. All of the blood clot fans them bless up on the blood clot self. All of the fans that come to into Jamaican P. Up top. Whoa. Happy New Year to all the fans them we come to into Jamaican P. Me walk New Year. Bless you many more. Me hope you make many money and put it in your pocket to say, man, me say, bless up yourself. Do all the fans say, Happy New Year. Happy New Year to all the fans that may come tune into Jamaican Pay. Aye. All the fans them push forward. Do anything what you want in your life. If you want to make more money, get more jobs and make money. Put more hours in on the job. If you want a new car, get it. If you want a new shoes, if you want a new wardrobe, get it. Yeah, boy. Put more money in the bank, pull up the bank account. Anywhere you want go, you are go. No, I want to visit a new year, man. You only got one world to live. And I said, all of the fans, man. Happy New Year from Jamaican Pay, man. Me say, more New Year wishes and more blessings and more money in your pocket. See the know last year, my was a good year, man, for you. But this year might be a better year for you. So don't watch up this man, yeah. Put your head up high. Do your thing, man. Make one leap for money, put it in your pocket, man. Boy, to all the fans, them went to into Jamaican Pay. I message New Year. Message New Year. To all of the fans, them went to into Jamaican Pay. Happy New Year. God bless you. Say New Year to all the fans. Them went to into Jamaican Pay. Say Happy New Year. Happy New Year. God bless you. Say God bless your whole family. And many things good could come to you this year. Don't see them now. Hallelujah never was talking to the last year. Make sure you talk to them this year. Even though when you call them and them no pick up them blood clot phone, man. Left a message and tell the person what's them up in New Year. Even some of them are hate you when you know say we hate you and you can't stand here if your blood clot day. I'm say Happy New Year to all of the fans them. Welcome to and subscribe to Jamaican Pay. God bless you. God bless you. Many more. Yeah. May hope the new year bring you some good things. Enough money in your pocket. New car. New wardrobe, man. Say Happy New Year to all of the fans them. Welcome to into Jamaican Pay. Lord of mercy. Up top. Bumbo clot. That's how we do it. Sensei. You know, say me have a problem. Me have a problem for a long time, you know. In here. Hear me now. So the first time me move to this channel, so me find out, me have roach, you know. You know, so me think about the roach them. You know, so me see one of them in the side of me yard, but me never was sure. You know, so me said me have to get some roach sprayer. Roach sprayer for the roacher. I said it from the first time, so me moved to my channel. You know, see a red me up here. No understand why me the landlord no get rid of the roach. Then me have to go to the dollar store. Yeah, me don't want a cheap sprayer. I be stop a Walmart, man. No. Go to Walmart and get some roach sprayer for the boy. See the animal climb out of the wall. Come from the appreciation. Now see the name can't eat the food and left a dish on the counter. See the boy say me have roach. Come a blood clot channel. Roach sprayer. Roach sprayer. Roach sprayer. Spray them, kill them. So the first time I moved to the channel, you know. See me friends, see me have roach. I'm a channel and see man, we have to stop and get some roach spray. Little teeny roach them. I must teeny roach. I wouldn't call them again teenager roach. You see them now a teenager roach them, you know. No, them turn into big roach. No, them fuck. See them fuck every day. No school, no multiply. Property. Fucking roach them. The dollar store and buy the cheap spray. We have to stop at Walmart and buy the expensive spray. Spray them. Roach them. them coming out of the blood clot cupboards. What the fuck is going on? So they can't stop the roach there, man. What they put me channel, man? I want the landlord to deal with, man. The landlord now doing job, man. Now every day come to me thing one rent, man. But if not take care of the roach, man. No see them now, no for them now. Boy, you see, man. See them transform from the roach, man, and gone to rat. So me have to get a rat chop and catch them pussy one by one. Up top. Shut. Hey, sit. Out top. I'm a them pussy one down, I can't catch me fuck. Hey, well no. Hey. So one of them never run me down and they can't catch me back. So one of them never run me down and they can't catch me back. Yeah. Roll out the bread. Boy can't breathe. Girl can't breathe. Some of them boy young, suck too much pussy, run to my thing. Every day man, see what? Them boy they break hard. And them a run me down, I still can't get you right now. Roll out the bread. Roll out the bread. Roll out the bread. Roll out the bread. Oh, them boy young want come this Jamaica be man. See them now, them boy, see them now, them young too much pussy. Put pussy in them mouth too much. No pussy take with them breath. See them now, me say them can't catch up. See them now, them don't know the end. Them turn around and hang themselves. Them run to me thing, every day. Fussy them one, them a thing them make me. Them run me down every day. I know the pussy hold them can't catch me walk. Say, roll out the bird. Hey, roll out the bird. Yeah, roll out the bird. Roll out the bird. Some of them boy young, them so too much pussy. People don't take them boy they courtesy. Some of them boy young, them so too much dick. They don't take them boy young, break them boy young, can't stop them man. Roll out the bird, them roll out the bird, roll out the bird, them roll out the bird. Them boy a man say them freaky. Them boy them smoke cigarette you see. Them a beg a next man for smart. See them but them smoke from a next man. Can't find the bread. Roll out the bird. See them how they put up the video, them on social media. Them can't study me, them can't follow me. Them a try to put up video, try to catch me up. Roll out the bird, roll out the bird, them boy, yo, hey. Every day them boy, them a try to catch me up. But all of them can't catch me up, me say them bird, yeah. Roll out the bird, fussy them, roll out the bird, oh, you're the roll the bird, roll out the bird, Say them can't study me, cause none for them, the boys say them can't read the same. Can't read, can't read, can't read, can't read. None for them, the boys say them run dumb thing, try to catch me up, can't catch me up. Them roll out the birds, roll out the bird, roll out the bird, roll out the bird, them boy ya. Shut! Hey, sensei, yeah, some plus, but put them they wanna come to me, they want like them a this, I know them can't this, don't make me every day, them tell me what I'm talking, them a not, I know them girls stand up to joke, make them pay, but fuck them, yeah, boy, they can't come to me, no, them boy, they can't this me, yeah, please, I'ma make this one, put this one, man, I'ma fuck them, the blood, make sure send me I'm a fool, that's the man. I ride every them, say me ride every them. When me ride it, just like how me ride me gal. When them hear me a chat, them lyrics just say them boy, whoa, them I am full nigga. Every time them come to me thing, me a tell them boy, you have to suck them, some of them, they don't respect them more than that. So I them love to me blood clot, keep vibes up, every blood clot, keep man, keep it real, keep it real, just man, and the boy, them the life, hear the truth, just the ball, but chum, me I'll pay man, me no give a damn. Send me a man, want me a chat, them lyrics, yo. Send me boy, you see them on the job, on the way, all know them just on the way, the mothers and me fucked up. Send me for the pride now, doing me fucked up right now. You swear, send me swear, me know I'm gonna come out down my mouth, yeah. Listen what them boy you think, shut. Hey, listen, Bumper Club me feel good for the new year, you fuck. No, now boy can't discourage Jamaican tea. No, yeah, can't discourage Jamaican tea. Oh, you fin discourage me? No boy can't tell me to get down on my knees. No. No boy can't discourage Jamaican tea. No girl can't discourage Jamaican tea. No. Come to me thing, them a tell me say boy stop smoke the weed. Them a tell me say boy stop talk up the whole heap of fuckery. Some of them run come boy stop the whole heap of bad word. Boy you need some better, boy you need some Bumper Clad. I know say them confused when them run them and then one Jamaican say man this me don't give a fuck. See they know them confused and them lyrics, yeah, burn them. See, they know them are key against me. They run to blood clot YouTube and they say, YouTube, this boy's too hasty. Get this boy channel out for your fucking thing. Because my parents here, and my daddy warned me, say, me feel good now, Ross. See, they know they are giving some vibes right now. Wow. Don't write about no man, we are take a trick off some good juice now. Now see them a run come look for some lyrics. Now see them now get some new lyrics for the new year. Now look in your pocket, see the lyrics now disappear in your pocket. Now see the now some of them boy yeah dig down in them pocket, boy you fool. Now see them now no fool too man. Somehow now boy I put on a face but dick. Somehow now put dick on the face. Dick put dip on the face. Somehow now boy got sperms on the face. No, it's liver spada. Bleach out your skin, you can't hide it. How they want you if it come this? No, see now, me feel fucked up right now. No, you them boy, run, come see them a run, come now. Them a done the video. No, make them a done the video and get me no know. Them a go ask God to forgive this video what if a body man thing. What them do not hear? No, see the good God not listen. Yeah. Beat them every day when we come on social media. See them now, them don't know where them a get the leak from. So me beat them with a ruler. I make come them it in and they hit with a screwdriver. Make them go this pan and box them for the inner them head. See them now me pick up the willow tree branch and beat them for the every day. See them now you know say me confused with them lyrics yo. I don't know where them come from. Up top, all of the fans that will come tune in to Jamaican Tea. Much love and respect. Thank you for tuning and Happy New Year.